Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we want to go over an ultralight folding electric wheelchair. It's called the Cricket, and it's made by Golden Technologies. Now, once you remove the battery, joystick, cushion, this chair gets down to 33 pounds. So it's ultra lightweight. It's 100% carbon fiber. It can support 300 pounds of weight, has a top speed of just under 4 miles, and the battery range is just under 10 miles per charge. So it's a nice little chair. It's good for someone that likes to travel and is on the go. And this is a cushion that has just recently been added. So there's been a lot of feedback from a lot of the customers that want a better cushion. So previously there was a little cushion, pretty thin. Now we have a thick cushion. This is more of a memory foam. Definitely makes a big difference. And I think that this is gonna just make people a lot happier with this new cushion. So let's get into it. Talk more about the Cricket from Golden Technologies. So on the front of the chair, we've got a foot plate, pretty basic, flips right up. This is where your model number is, serial number. It's easy to locate. Got a storage area down here, zipper pouch. It's good that it has this. A lot of these folding electric wheelchairs don't have much storage, so you do have a little storage here. Here's your battery. You pull this little clip here. There's a track that it's on. It'll pull right out. So you can charge the battery off the unit. So you can leave the chair like in your garage and then bring this inside to charge it. When it's fully charged, bring it back out to your chair and put it right in. So I'm gonna put this back on. You gotta line these up on this track here. Now it's secured into place. You can also charge the batteries directly on the joystick itself. So it's very common on electric wheelchairs. You also have a USB charging port as well. So you can charge your cell phone while you're riding this. Now on the cushion that I mentioned previously, it's removable. So if you wanted to fold the chair without it, you can do that, or you can fold it with the chair. We've got a nice mesh back. So this is kind of like a computer chair. It's breathable. It's good for hot environments. Joystick, we'll show you the controls on that. Pretty basic joystick, but it's what you need for an electric wheelchair. There's no fancy bells and whistles. You just got the joystick. You got the power button, battery life. Here's your speed at the bottom. Right now you can see it's on the top speed setting, which is around 4 miles per hour. So I can adjust the speed setting up or down. Got a horn. It is also easy to remove. So when you're traveling with this chair, it's always good to remove the joystick. And you can just remove it from here, disconnect it right there, and then there's a knob here that I'm loosening, so you can take this off. You don't want to get this damaged, so like if you're flying with this, with it being airline approved, I would suggest taking this off, and I would also take off the battery and bring those on with you. They're going to require you to take the battery on as a carry-on when you fly with this. They don't require you to bring the joystick, but I would recommend to take it, and just simply because it's so easy. So I'll put it back in here, and you can adjust the length. So I can tighten this wherever. So if you're taller, you can have it out here and adjust it. So let me just lock that back into place, and we'll connect the joystick to the power supply. Now, if you're left-handed and you want it on the left side, that's no problem. It's easy to do. You can see there's little clips. These come off. So I can take these clips off, and then you're going to take the wiring and fish it around to the other side and just use the clips to secure it and put it on the other side. So you can see there's a knob here, so it's easy to just put it right on the left side. We get that question a lot. Is it easy to switch to the other side? Yes, you can switch pretty much every electric wheelchair. You can switch it to the right or the left side. We are giving away a free mobility scooter. Now, from the past of doing this giveaway, this is an authentic giveaway too, guys. We're actually giving these away to real people. This is not something that's set up. We give these to real people that actually subscribe and comment on our videos. But what we're finding is that a lot of times people are hard to get a hold of, and we want to give away to people that are supporting us. So moving forward, if you want to be eligible for this, all you have to do is comment on any video, subscribe to our channel, and then once you've done those things, send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'll put that on the screen, and then put your username of your YouTube name, and we're going to verify that you subscribed and you commented, and we'll have your email, so then we'll be able to let you know if you are one of the winners of our next giveaway. So just wanted to share that with you. Now on the back, these are your two motors. So right now they're in the drive position, so I can't push this. Now if I turn off the chair, I push both of these back into manual, and if you look here, you'll see a little stick figure. Push forward, it's an electric, and it has a little stick figure, someone sitting in it. Manual, push back, you can push it like a manual wheelchair. So you can push it like if you want to stretch your legs, use it as a walker, you can do that. If you're a caretaker, you can do this just to kind of mix it up. Or if you run out of battery life, you can use that to you can set it in the free wheel to push it to your destination. Here's your anti-tip wheels, which are adjustable in length, so I can adjust them out or put them in. You can remove them if you wanted to, but they're here for added safety. So if you're going up an incline, you're not going to tip backwards. Now let me show you how to fold. Pretty easy, and right, you'll probably notice this too. This is your seat belt. So it's just kind of tucked under here, but I'll put it up here on the seat.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. Or you can also click on free catalog at the top of our website and just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
Now, to fold the chair, you're going to lift this latch right here. So if I lift this, now I've kind of broken the link. I'm flipping up the foot plate on this side. So flip that up. Now we got it folded. If the anti-tip wheels weren't on here, you could set it up right like this. But I have the anti-tip wheels on, so I'm not going to be able to set it up right. But you can lay it flat, and it's compact, so it doesn't take up much space. It's got a nice small footprint. So when you fold it, it locks here. So now I can't just unfold it. I have to unlatch this piece, and now I can unfold the chair. So that's a new design. Probably because when people are transporting it, it would unfold, so that just secures it into that folded compact position. But this is the Golden Cricket. There's a lot of carbon fiber folding electric wheelchairs that are on the market, and I think the Cricket is probably one of the first ones to come to market. So it's been around for a while, and it's a solid little chair. If you have any questions about it, give us a call. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, Golden Technologies has an awesome warranty, and it comes with a 1-year labor contract. So anything that happens within the first year, they're going to try to troubleshoot it with you over the phone if there's an issue. But if they can't resolve it, they'll send a technician to your home to fix that issue for you, so you have that additional peace of mind. But if you have any other questions about this chair, call us at the number at the bottom of the screen, 800-682-9444, or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a good day.